Lastly, we're going to look at some application problems. And the first one we're going to look at is, according to projections by the U.S. Census Bureau, it's a census year this year too. The world population in billions is approximated by the function f of x equal to 4.834 times 1.011 to the x, where x equals 4 corresponds to the year 1984. When will the population reach $7 billion? So this question is asking what value for x, so what x value gives that f of x is equal to 7. So we can solve for x by setting f of x equal to 7, so 7 equal to our equation here. So we'd have 4.834 times 1.011 to the x. We can divide both sides by 4.834, and we would get 1.4481 equal to 1.011 to the x. Now when we take the ln of both sides, we get ln of 1.4481 is equal to ln of 1.011 to the x. Using our power rule, on the right side, we'll get x times the ln of 1.011. Now to solve for x, we can divide the ln of 1.011 over. So we'd have x is equal to ln of 1.4481 divided by ln of 1.011. Now if we type this in our calculator, so we have ln of 1.4481, and then we have ln of 1.011. Okay, note, I'm not rounding the numerator or the denominator before I divide. That will create a rounding error. I can show you in a second how much it'll be off. So first we're going to take this one and divide it by that one. Enter, and we get that it's approximately 33.844. Okay, so if I had rounded, then I would have gotten, so this is my numerator right here. So this would be 0.370, and then my denominator would be here, 0.011, which would be 0.370 divided by 0.11, which would give 3.3636. Somehow we're slightly off. These should be 33. I must have typed in a decimal wrong. Oh, I forgot the 0 right there. 0.37. 0.370 divided by 0.011. There we go. Now we should get 33. Yep. So see, these are slightly off. In this case, the rounding error won't really affect us, but in other problems it will. So that's why I'm telling you to be cautious of that. So do not do that kind of rounding. So from up here in the problem where it says x equals 4 gives that 1984. So we have x equal to 4 gives 1984. Then we know x equal to 0 gives 1980. So we have 33.844. So we want to add 1980 to that, and that'll give us 2013.844, which is then going to give us 2013. So in the year 2013, the population will reach 7 billion in the United States. So let's swap gears from census, what is the plural of census? I don't know, doesn't matter, to looking at precipitation in the Sierra Nevada mountains of California. So in the central Sierra Nevada mountains of California, the percent of moisture that falls as snow rather than rain is approximated reasonably well by this equation of P of H, is equal to 86.3 ln of H minus 680, where P is the percent of moisture as snow at an altitude of H feet, where our H is restricted by 3,000 and 8,500. And then it asks us, at what altitude is 50% of the moisture snow? So again, we're looking for what H value gives that P of H is equal to 50. So we're going to do that. We're going to set 50 equal to our P of H equation, which is 86.3 ln of H minus 680. So we're going to add 680 to both sides, and we have 730 equal to 86.3 ln of H. Now we can divide by 86.3, so we have 730 divided by 86.3 ln of H. I'm going to go ahead and divide this, and I get 8.4589 equal to ln of H. Now I can take e to the 8.4589 equal to e ln of H. All I'm doing is to the inverse of the ln to get rid of that. So when we have e to the ln of H, that's going to give us H is equal to e.84589. So our H is approximately, now we can use our calculator to find our H value. So we have second e to the 8.4589 is equal to 4716.866, and this is feet. All right, so those are our two examples. You do have homework to do that's listed on the updated homework file. Make sure you're still doing your homework. Have a great weekend.